Major changes are happening with American Express on August 20th that nobody's really talking about. If you didn't know, Amex just quietly locked people out of one of their oldest credit cards. If you've got an Amex card sitting in your wallet right now, or you're just thinking about applying for it, stop what you're doing, because come August 20th, something about that Amex card officially changes. And I want you to know exactly what's real and what's just internet noise before it actually happens. In case this is your first time to the channel, I'm Mike the Credit Guy, and this channel exists for one reason: to break down exactly what's happening in the credit and card world and tell you what it actually means for your credit, not just for travel point nerds. So let's go and jump right in. So let's first talk about what's actually confirmed. So here's what we know for a fact. No speculation. Back in early June, people holding the American Express green card started seeing a notice pop up in their account. It said the card name is changing to the American Express Classic Green Card, effective August 20th. Amex was clear about one thing. They said the rewards, the annual fee, and the benefits are staying exactly the same for people who already have the card. Nothing forced, nothing you have to do. Just a new name on an old product. Then a few weeks later, in late July, the application page for the green card disappeared from Amex's website entirely. So if you try to pull it up right now, you'll hit an error page. New applicants cannot sign up for this card anymore. That's confirmed. That's not a rumor. That's not a leak. That's Amex's own website behaving that way right now. So let's talk about why this matters for your credit and not just your points. Because here's where most of the finance channels stop, because they're all talking about travel perks. I don't care about that for this conversation. I care about what this means for your credit profile, your credit file. Because if you already hold this card, that account and its age stays on your credit report exactly as it is. Your open date doesn't change, your credit line doesn't change, none of that resets just because the name on the card changes. And that's important because account age is one of the bigger levers in your credit mix, and a rename is just cosmetic. It is not a new account. It's not a new inquiry, and it should not show up as anything different on your credit report. Now, it might slightly change the name, but that's about it most likely. But if you were planning to apply for this exact card fresh, you can't right now. And that matters because every time a product gets pulled and comes back refreshed, it typically comes back with a different structure, which historically at Amex has meant an actual higher annual fee. And as we've seen with other Amex cards. So if you're someone managing a tight budget while you rebuild your credit, that's the kind of fee creep you want to see coming, not get surprised on your statement. And this is why I said in my previous video that American Express is changing the game. They are literally raising the bar to higher annual fees along with all of these other credit card companies. Let's talk about the last time Amex actually did this, because this isn't the first time Amex pulled this exact move. Back in 2019, the green card disappeared from their website too. And about a month and a half later, it came back reworked with a new reward structure. So there is a real pattern here. Pull the card, let speculation build, then relaunch with new terms. And that's exactly why card watchers are paying close attention to this August 20th date. Because if Amex follows their own pattern, that's roughly when we'd expect to see whatever comes next, if anything does. Now let's talk about what's speculation, not fact. Now let me be straight with you, because a lot of channels are already saying the new green card will do this, will cost that. None of that is confirmed by Amex. Not the earnings category, not an annual fee number, not new perks. What you're seeing online is card bloggers and forum users guessing based on patterns. Reasonable guesses, but guesses. And as of right now, Amex has not put out a press release, has not published new terms, and has not confirmed a new product even exists. Listen, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you made up annual fees or made up rewards rate like it's a fact, because that's actually the kind of misinformation that gets people making decisions based on stuff that isn't real. So here's the deal. What's confirmed is the name change and the paused application. Everything else is a watch this space situation. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Tanya. Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast's link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. If you're in the middle of building your credit profile back up, here's the practical takeaway. First, if you already have the card, do nothing. Your account stays as is, your history stays intact, there's no action required on your end. Second, if you were eyeing this card as a future application, understand you're now watching a moving target. Whatever comes back may have different approval criteria, different income requirements, or a different fee. So don't assume the card you researched 6 months ago is the card you actually will be applying for later this year. And third, this is a good reminder in general, issuers change products more often than people realize. And the terms you research today aren't guaranteed to be the terms available when you actually apply. So always check the live terms right before you submit an application, not just what a blog told you last month. Last part's the most important. Now, Amex has been reworking a lineup pretty aggressively the last few years, raising fees, adding credits, repositioning cards. The green card is the one product in that family that hasn't been touched since 2019. So honestly, it was overdue. Whether this turns into a full relaunch or just a name change that goes nowhere, the lesson for you is the same. Card issuers are constantly adjusting the products behind the scenes. And if you're not paying attention, you can end up holding a product that quietly becomes less competitive or applying for one that just became more expensive without ever getting a heads up. Here's your action list number 1. If you hold this card, check your Amex account for that name change notice yourself so you know exactly what's landing on your statement come August 20th. 2, if you're planning to apply, hold off and watch for an official Amex announcement instead of an annual fee number some blog is guessing at. And number 3, make sure to comment the word green and I'll come back and I'll walk you through step by step how to read your account notices like this so you never get caught off guard by an issuer ever again. And that's the real story on the Amex green card. Confirmed facts, not hype, and I'll be back the second Amex actually announces something official, and I'll break it down the same way, straight and no fluff. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here because it's going to show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money-back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.